I'm back.
Okay, do you need me to help you?
No, I'm okay. I think I got this down. So I never realized the toll that moving takes on a person, so I decided to take a little break from YouTube, but I'm ready to come back, jump into it, and bring you guys content regularly. So, are you laughing? No. For now, I'm gonna give this vlogging thing a try. It's Saturday, it's our favorite day. I figured I'd bring the camera along with us just so we can kind of show you guys what we're up to.
Can you please put this on for me?
We gotta take our obligatory before going out picture, you know, standard. We are heading to dinner right now. We're meeting up with Hannah's dad and stepmom. Oh Jesus, that's bright. We're kind of having like a belated birthday dinner for her. Her dad was out of town, so I think we're gonna meet up and get some Thai food. Thai food.
Don't get anything spicy this time.
So I got lost a couple of times. That happens sometimes when I drive. What's that?
I said I wasn't paying any attention and I know how to get here.
I was on that damn phone. I think he's gonna send Scrappy out.
Actually, I don't know, he's so old.
Guess we'll see.
Attack!
Oh,
Tear him to shreds!
hi, baby.
Tear him to shreds!
Oh my gosh.
How you doing?
Happy birthday to you.
How's it going?
What's up, big fella?
Oh my gosh, you are so sly.
I will also do the pad thai with chicken. I'll do the large size too. You are a child.
Oh no.
Mix it all together.
I think that's how it's meant to be. Holy crap.
Yeah.
I'm full.
You and me both. That was good food. Good eating.
So good.
This is the cloud. This is pretty much where we live, as you can tell. The cushions are all flat. Oh. So yeah, dinner was fun. Finally got to catch up with Hannah's dad and stepmom. We don't really see them as often as we should, but always a good time. 1, 2, 3.
What?
Well, I think that's where we're gonna end it tonight. I guess I'll just check back with you guys in the morning. So I just kind of wanted to touch on what I said yesterday about taking a break from YouTube, and I'll try and fly through this as quick as possible. So I moved down here last June, didn't have a lease or anything signed, and I stayed on a friend's air mattress for about 3 weeks. And that was an experience in itself, but eventually me and 2 other friends from high school, we ended up getting a place together in Carmel, and I love that house. That was by far my favorite place that I've ever lived in. It was just perfect for us. And then right after moving down here too, I met Hannah, so I started talking to her and things started getting serious, and now obviously we're together, so you know, I just kind of put making videos on the side, just, you know, just honestly because I wanted to. So we're living in the Carmel house for about 4 months, and towards the end of November, my buddy Devin took a job in California. So he's out there now, he's doing great, I'm happy for him. And So it didn't make sense for the two of us that stayed to stay in that place. Clayton, the other roommate, he bought a place downtown, and I'm just living with him for the time being. You know, it's definitely been an experience living down here, working in a different field, trying to get some other opportunities lined up too. But I wouldn't trade it for the world, and I don't regret moving down here at all. Hello.
Hi.
Hi, baby. What are you doing? Okay, it's about 3:45 right now. We're getting ready. We should be about ready. Are you about ready? We're getting ready now to go to a cooking class together. Her birthday was a couple weeks ago, and I surprised her with a cooking class.
I kind of want to go buy my own apron.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so then we're good. All right, up a little bit or tuck it in. Kind of fold it a little bit under. Tuck them in. Stock in. Now we're bringing it around.
Oh, thank you.
There we go. Now it's hot.
I was cold.
Yeah.
Got the final product here. Oh, look at that. Good.
Damn, that's a shame.
So what do we think?
Would recommend.
Yeah.
Definitely taking the pasta class. This is going to be a new thing.
It's our new date night. Well, it is officially that time. It's Sunday night. Got to head home and kind of get ready for the week, which kind of works out because I ran out of clean clothes at Hannah's. So as soon as I got home and got settled in, I realized that all my clothes smelled like onions from cooking. So I had to shower up and changed, and now it's time to just kind of get stuff ready for the next week. So that's pretty much all I have for right now. So I guess you guys will just have to wait until next week, and then we'll go from there. See you.